morning or good afternoon or kung anong oras naman ito napanood. Welcome again sa video ko mga ka-homebodies. I just want to let you know that
Ayan na nga.
Friday. Welcome to my mini vlog. Again,
Welcome guys.
ang galing lang kasi
Hi mga
ang galing lang pala
ka-homebodies.
ng road din.
Ayun naman ay
sasakyan na
umuwi na
parang
from 3-day
so 10 p.m.
trip from Cebu. So I hope you guys are doing well.
4 a.m. na. So most probably,
You're able to get the things that you want. If not, maybe not now, but for sure, it will come.
for this time.
Just
So bali,
just
ang pamasahe
doing your best.
from
Kasi there is someone looking at you,
going
and that is the person up above. So
if economy that's 700 plus something
now guys,
while
so
for
nakarami natin mga 4 a.m. na to. So 4 a.m. and then from warm-up, punta naman kami ng Tacloban City kasi
yan,
short trip kasi
kasi na
So, yun lang.
trabaho and then
and balik trabaho naman.
Lastly,